A brand new pair of jeans, and these are perfect for summertime because they're gonna be a high rise, which I love because it's comfortable because it really comes to your waist, so I don't have my love handles hanging out. And it's gonna be a relaxed fit, so it's super comfy. You can wear it with a heel, you can wear it casual, you can roll the bottom up like we did, you can leave it straight. It's a little bit of a chemical wash, so it has a little bit of distressing, but not too much, really, really understated, and kind of a medium denim, so it really goes with anything you wanna put with it. These jeans are fabulous. Super comfortable, stretchy, gorgeous, belt loops around the top, real pockets in the front, real pockets in the back. You have never worn jeans this comfortable. If you're like me and you're saying, I like jeans, but I don't like to feel like I'm cut off in the center. Oh my gosh, are you going to love these jeans? They're so comfortable, literally you would wear them on an overnight flight on a plane. Just try one pair, and I know that you will believe me, they're fabulous.